You can legally pay less taxes here in Germany and grow your money with ETFs at the same time. But which pension plans actually let you do all that? Invest in ETFs, save on taxes, and stay flexible without locking your money away for decades. We're breaking down the 3 levels of German pension system like you've never seen before, so you know exactly how to use each one to your advantage, whether you plan to retire here in Germany or not. The first of 2 pension schemes in level 1 is the German public pension, Deutsche Rentenversicherung in German. It's mandatory for employees, that's why you and your employer each pay 9.3% of your gross salary up to the maximum of 8,050 euros per month. That's almost 1,500 euros per month you have to pay at the top end. What do you get for all that money? Pension points. In 2025, if you earn the average German salary of 50,493 euro gross, you earn 1 pension point. And each point is worth 40 euro and 79 cents per month when you retire. Let's do some quick math. 18.6% of 50,493 euros is 9,392 euro per year in contributions. So you're paying nearly 783 euros per month now to someday receive just 41 euros per month in return. Seems inefficient, to say the least. So what's the benefit of the German public pension? I don't know, to be honest. It's basically a pyramid scheme, just like the public health insurance. There's no value being created. It's just today's workers funding today's retirees. And with fewer young people and more retirees, the government has to pump in more and more of our tax money to keep the system from collapsing. This year, it will be almost 133 billion euros on top of the 18.6% you pay with your salary already. And if you're thinking now, what should I actually do now with the German public pension failing? Great question. We can discuss this together in a free one-on-one meeting and figure out what is the best for your personal situation. Just click the link pinned in the comments below to book your spot. The German public pension is in fact the only pension that doesn't allow ETF investing. So let's talk about a better option, the level 1 base pension. Important to know, you cannot replace the public pension with this pension or any other pension on this list. Every voluntary pension can only be added on top of what you're already forced to pay with the public pension. The main benefit of the base pension? Massive tax savings. In 2025, you can deduct more than 29,000 as a single or 58,000 as a married couple from your taxable income. Depending on your tax bracket, that's potentially a 42% immediate tax benefit just for saving for your own retirement. Name one other investment where you basically get a 42% guaranteed return the moment you invest. I don't know any. And unlike the public pension, here you're in control. You can invest your money in almost any ETF that you like, and your money grows tax-free until retirement. No taxes on dividends, no taxes when you rebalance your portfolio, and most importantly, no Vorabpauschale. That's why pensions are so tax efficient, because all gains are deferred until you start withdrawing. Which means you will save thousands or even tens of thousands of euros in taxes with ETFs in a pension versus ETFs in a broker. You can watch this video if you want to learn more about that. Base pension sounds pretty good, right? Well, here's the catch. You cannot touch your money until you are 62 years old. So while it's absolutely amazing for tax optimization and long-term investing, you'll need other savings if you want flexibility before retirement. Flexibility is what you get with the level 2 pensions. Pensions that are typically supported by either the government or your employer. And the Riester pension is probably the most well-known here in Germany. Here's how it works. You contribute up to 2,100 euro per year, maximum, because that number is reduced by any government bonuses that you receive. And these bonuses can really add up. You get 175 euro per year per adult and an extra 300 euro per year per child. That's free money every single year just for saving. And on top of that, your own contributions are tax deductible, similar to the base pension level 1, but with a lower limit. And yes, ETFs are possible, at least partly. Because of the government's minimum payout guarantee, not all your money can be invested in ETFs. Riester pension providers have to play it safe, meaning a part of your money will often sit in bonds or other low-return products. So while Riester can be amazing for families who want to secure the child bonuses, it's not ideal if you want to go all in on ETFs when saving for retirement. Just like the company pension, Betriebliche Altersvorsorge in German. The biggest benefit, free money from your employer. They're legally required to match at least 15% on top of what you contribute. And some generous companies go even higher. And it gets better. You can invest up to 322 euros per month from your gross salary, completely free of tax and social security. If you want to contribute more, you can go up to 644 euros a month, still tax-free, but you'll start paying social security on the second half. But of course, there's a catch. If you change jobs, your new employer needs to accept your old company pension plan, and many don't. That's how some people end up with lots of mini pensions by the time they retire, each paying them just a couple of euros per month. And just like the Riester pension, there's a minimum guarantee of 60%, with most providers going even higher to 80%. That severely limits your ETF investment potential and your return. And speaking of limitations, your investment options are decided most likely by your employer, not you. So if your company loves overpriced insurance products, guess what you're getting? Bottom line, it can be a great deal, especially for the employer match, but definitely not the most flexible or ETF-friendly option out there. If you're serious about full control of your retirement savings, let's talk about level 3 pensions. The most exciting newcomer here is PEPP, which stands for Pan-European Personal Pension Product. This is a brand new EU-wide pension designed to be portable across all EU member states, making it absolutely perfect for expats like you. The idea is simple. You contribute in one EU country and take your pension with you wherever you go in Europe. No need to start over every time you move and no need for complicated taxation. Sounds great, right? Well, here comes the plot twist. Germany doesn't offer any PEPPs yet. While the EU framework is live, Germany still hasn't implemented the local rules to make PEPPs available here. So should you wait until Germany offers PEPPs? No, definitely not. They wanted to be online for more than 3 years, and nobody knows when they will be available. So, let's check out the most flexible ETF pension that we have so far, the private pension level 3, Private Altersvorsorge in German. This category includes every pension that doesn't fit into the rules for level 1 or level 2. So if it's not public, Riester, or a company pension, it's here. And because this is completely private without any government restrictions, the biggest benefit is that you have full control. You can decide how your money is invested. You can cancel or cash out whenever you want. So if your life changes, your private pension changes with you. You might not get tax benefits up front, like you do in the base pension or the Riester pension, but you still get the full power of tax-free ETF growth. No taxes on dividends, no taxes when rebalancing, and no Vorabpauschale until you withdraw. And when you withdraw after age 62, there are major tax advantages, no matter if you choose a lump sum payout or monthly pension for the rest of your life. So if you have the right withdrawal strategy, your private pension level 3 will be a lot more tax efficient than any broker app out there, helping you to save tens of thousands of euros in taxes. You can learn more about that in this video, and if we can help you figure out which way of saving for retirement is best for you, then you can book a free meeting with us right here. Thank you for watching und bis zum nächsten Mal.